Fiesta Cafe is now on Food Panda. Orderin mo na ang burnt miso latte and JP's cooked adobo. Ready kami dyan!
Powered by I Am Rentals, book lights, cameras, podcast setups, and creative spaces all online. Visit imrentals.ph.
Nag-iba rin ang audience eh. Alam mo, pinakamasakit, Tonet. Okay, maaring hindi nila pinapanood ang Filipino movies. Ang nasasaktan ako noong, may lumabas akong comments on, why Filipino movies are hindi patronized. May yung mga nagko-comment ba sa social media na, kasi basura mga ginagawa nyo. Pare-pareho ginagawa nyo. Trash ang Filipino movies. Filipino movies are dying, then let it die, it should. I'm gonna say a 4-letter word, but I'd rather not. Hindi ba? I mean, lagi ko nga sinasabi, kung sariling Pilipino ang sumusumpa sa gawa ng Pilipino, talaga na mangyayari sa atin. That's why, alam mo, miracle itong Sunshine mo. Ang saya-saya namin na may isang magandang pelikula pinanood. Pucha, kung hindi ka pinagbigyan ng first weekend, 3 sinihan ng second weekend mo, bumongga yung weekend, hanggang ngayon palabas siya. Hindi ba? I mean, hindi ba pag pinagbigyan mo? Kaya, don't tell me that we're doing trash. O kaya yung sabi nila, wala namang innovative niya. Sabi ko, pucha, napanood nyo ba About Us But Not About Us? How difficult and complicated that movie is?
Yes.
Sabi ko, pinanood nyo ba? You cannot say it's trash because June Lana did a wonderful movie and you did not watch it and you call all Filipino movies trash. Yes. Did you watch Big Night? Did you watch Food Delivery? You cannot, just generalize and say it's all trash. It's all trash because if in your mind you think that we do trash, then you'll see nothing but trash. And in the process, you're depriving yourself of what is something that you can be proud of and excited about being Filipino.
True.
So,
Tsaka kala mo naman yung Hollywood, di pa ulit-ulit yung yung gawa.
Puro Marvel.
look.
Really ba? Yung totoo? Pare-pareho lang din gawa nila, sir.
Hindi ba? Sabi ko, okay, you watch Marvel movies, sure you are fascinated by all the special effects. I get the same thrill riding a ride in Enchanted Kingdom. Hindi ba? I mean, if you equate good films with, marvels of technology, then you are not appreciating, not even a movie. I mean, I always differentiate a film from a movie. Okay?
I remember yun yung day 1 ng class.
Talaga? Okay. Good student.
Tumatak yan sa akin. Are you making a film or a movie?
Because there's nothing wrong with movies. Movies are products, but films are creations. Okay, I always put that in mind. And there is nothing wrong with doing a commercial product because movies are still basically a business. Oh boy, we know that. But then the thing of it is we must not have this generalization that Filipino films are trash. Because do you know how many people have dedicated their lives to this art form?
Yes.
Okay? And by coming up with this hasty generalization, then, sige, go watch your Marvel movies. And let's see the value and nutrition of popcorn.
Tama. Tama.
Ang ganda.
Pero sir, kung so ang dami mga positive things from the past na wala ngayon. Pero meron bang meron sa panahon ngayon, sa present time ng filmmaking na wala before?
You know what? I always look at it with a gleam of hope, especially for the next generation of filmmakers and the generation of Sina Antoinette right now who are coming up with such great products. Like last year, sabi na, wala maganda. Okay, really? Okay, so there's Sunshine. But last year, did you watch Canabacio? Okay, did you watch The Hearing of Lau Fajardo? Did you watch Mandok, All of Cinemalaya? Okay, did you watch these films to say that walang magandang pelikula? Do you know this whole generation of future filmmakers who are just waiting for the opportunity to find and give their voice? I have great hopes with that. The next generation will be so much better. But it all depends also on the producers. To the audience who think that paulit-ulit ang kwento, pag ganyan-ganyan, I agree with you. Okay? I'm the grandfather of rom-com and I'd rather die than do another rom-com. Okay, when I did May Minamahal years ago, it's because I thought it was
May
fun.
Minamahal.
I said, okay, it was fun, but I just can't keep on doing that. Hindi ba? And besides, rom-com has been a content for streaming rather than for movies. I mean, hindi ba? But then there are certain innovations that you can make out of human and young relationships. Hindi ba? That it doesn't have to be, in the end, nagahampasan ng bulaklak at kumakanta ng theme song. Okay? Hindi ba? So, there has to be something more. At ang mindset dapat din yan ng producer. Sabi ko na nga, stop thinking that the world is the Philippines. Okay? You have to make films which are Filipino in spirit and Filipino in character, but for the world to see. Okay. Hindi ko naman ibig sabihin gumawa ka ng mga pili. Ba't ka ba ganyan ng ganyan?
Ano yun, sir? Para siya, ano ba
Parang
yun?
bravo.
Bravo ba yan?
Here. Para siyang here. Yeah.
Parang tama.
Oh, back. Ganon.
Okay.
Let's do it, sir.
Okay, anyway. So you need to expand. Kaya inaakala nila, ina-admit, okay, hindi kayo tama rin kayo. Kasi ibang producer, kung anik-anik na lang, hindi ba? Hindi mo mapagasta ng hindi na ngayon 400 pesos, sabi na pwede binabaan na nila. Okay, for your consideration na. Yung Filipino films kasi bumaba na up to 230 to 270 to 280. Ang foreign films ang retained ang 400. But still, sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, hindi ka lang maglalabasan. Kasi pag nanood ka ng sine, hindi laman yun ang gagastahin mo. Gagastahin ka pa ng transport. Tapos kung may date ka pang malakas lumamon, Diyos ko, patay ka, hindi ba? Hindi ba? So it better be worth it. So ang challenge actually, ang producers. Ang challenge, sabi ko sa producers, gumawa kayo ng bago. Okay, challenge them. Okay, and how could you say that we are not creative when you can come up with, Sunshine? Or even June Lana's Sisa na we have yet to see. Or Quezon. Okay?
October.
Alam mo sabi ko ganyan noong nasa isa kong panel for Rolling Stone. Nakasama ko, alam niyo ba kung magkano ginasta niyo? Alam niyo ba kung ang hirap bawiin ito? Dahil 100 million plus yan eh. Sabi ko, kasi para maka-break even yan, mga 270 million ang break even yan. Sabi nila, wala conviction. Okay, sabi ko, conviction, okay. Pero, you have to watch it. You have to watch it because there's effort being done. It cannot only come from the point of view of, the producers also have to admit they have to do something new. Hindi na bobo ang audience.
Yes.
At hindi din tama na bobohin mo sila. Okay? Popcorn is good. Popcorn can make you usog, but it does not mean that, popcorn can give you the nutrition to get you through the night. Ayan. Ang dami kong sinasabi. Pigilan mo. Tama ba? Ganon. Ganon.
Ang ganda!
Kung may natutunan ako, ibig sabihin ng ganon. Daldal ka ng daldal, wala ka daw.
Ganda yan. Iba yun sa ganun, sir.
Ito ganun lang. Daliri lang, sir.
Daldal ka ng daldal.
Nakaka-Gen Z yan, sir. Pag ganun.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. Sorry, Alpha generation ako eh. Ano pa tanong niya?
Yung isang nagustuhan kong rom-com ni Sir Joey na pinanood ko sa sinehan, Kung Ako Na Lang Sana.
Ako Radio Romance.
Radio Romance! Yun.
Napanood ko sa Cinema One.
The grandfather of rom-com. Pero yung mga best friend story na Through the Years. Through the Years ba ang theme song nun, sir? Or Somewhere Down the Road?
Through the years.
Through the Years.
Kwento ko.
Yes, sir. Sharon Cuneta and Aga Mula.
Aga Mula.
Nakasakay ako
Best
sa
friends
kotse.
sila.
Nakasakay ako sa kotse. Tumawag sa akin si Elma Medua.
Star Cinema. Miss Elma.
Direct, may project kami sa'yo. Ay, okay, good. Ang sino, si Sharon. Ay, okay. At si Aga. Aray. Sabi ko, how am I gonna make Sharon and Aga work? Sabi ko, I can't make this, a sweetie romance sort. Because they're relatively mature to do teeny bopper behavior. Then, nagkataon that very moment. Call it serendipity. Call it an act of God. Tumugtog sa radyo ng aking van, Kenny Rogers Through the Years. Alam ko na. What if your best friend is your soulmate but you'd never realized it? And you're so scared to go beyond being friends because you're so scared of losing the friendship. Sabi ko, sige. Sabi ko, gagawin ko yung ganyan. Barkada movie na yung How We Change Through the Years. Meron ako isang friend kasi sinabi niya sa kapwa friend, alam mo, pag wala pa akong asawa ng 40 years old, tayo na lang. So, ginamit ko yun. Ginamit ko yun sa pelikula. So, that's how I got. Alam mo, Star Cinema talaga, mahilig ibigyan ako noon ng mga unlikely combinations.
Never pa sila nag-pair ba before, sir?
No, never. Never. Tapos ang casting niya na Jennifer Sevilla, Christine Bersola, talagang hindi talaga mga ibang mga pairing si ito Shintaro Valdez, hindi ba? Hi Annette. So in other words, iba yung mga combination. One time din tumawag. Direct may project kami kayo. Sino? Si Judy Ann. Okay. At si Ryan. Ako, teka, ang hirap nito dahil...
Oh my God, yes. Kasal.
Sabi ko ang hirap nito kasi Judy Ann's most successful movies are with Piolo.
Yeah.
Will they accept Judy Ann with her real life boyfriend, si Ryan? So nag-meeting kami, sabi ko, alam ko na. Ito may bago na namang... Before Ishmael Bernal died, we were supposed to make a movie. We were supposed to make a movie about a couple about to get married. And then, ang nangyari doon sa couple, when they're about to get married, nag-intervene ang pamilya, nakialam, so they decided to elope, to get the marriage done and over with. Sabi ko, ba kwento? Okay, yung kwento ko kay Bernal, yun ang gagawin kong kwento ni Judy Ann at ni Ryan. Okay. Tapos tumawag sa akin, direct, may title na kami sa pelikula. Sabi ko, ano yun? Binili namin yung rights ng isang script. So, sa amin yung title. We can use the title for your movie. Kasal, kasali, kasalo. Sabi ko, patay, kasal lang yung kwento ko. Hindi ba? Sabi ko, how will I deal with the other kasali and kasala? So it became a 3-part story. Kasali nung tumira siya sa bahay, hindi ba? Yung gano'n. And kasalo nung buntis siya na nagkaroon ng misa. Ganon ang naging procedure noon. So, I like these unlikely combinations because it becomes a challenge. It becomes a challenge. And Kasal, Kasali, Kasalo is one of the happiest movies I've ever done. You know, talagang down the road, talagang happiest movie. And di ba sinundan niya ng Sakal-Sakali sa
Sakal-sakali sa Klolo.
May third na yan na hindi ko pa nasushoot.
Anong title, sir?
Asawa, Asiwa, Asalto.
Ang ganda! Sir, gawin mo na.
It's the story now of what happened to Monica and to Carlitos. And malaki na si Rafa. Si Bronson professional na.
Doon nga pala yun, si Bronson.
Si Bronson professional na. Kasi nahanap namin si Bronson ngayon. Professional na siya. At saka nahanap din namin si Rafa, yung lumabas na binata na siya, nagdadrive siya ng car, nakita ko siya sa Regal. Oh my God! Sabi ko, ang gandang gawin ito yung what happened to them. Tapos the whole thesis in the end is you become your parents' parent.
Oh, ganda.
You become, hindi ba in the end, ikaw mag-aalaga sa parents mo. So that's the asalto na okay?
Ganda.
Wala
ganda nun, sir. I think mag-ambag na kami. May 500 ako dito, sir.
May 250 ako.
Pwede na catering ng isang tao.
Ano nangyari dun sa longganisa business?
No, ito maganda rin yung
Ano nga ang tawag doon?
butotay.
Butotay.
What happens, nangyari ito kasi when I saw my mother. My mother was so gregarious, but in her old age, when she becomes practically a vegetable, yung how you take care of, yung parang, this is your mother, but you can't imagine her like this. That she used to rule your life, but now she depends on you. So, yun ang nangyari kay. And in the end, may isang parent.
Oh my God.
Because it completes the cycle. It completes the cycle.
Ganda.
Wala
Nasulat na ba yun, sir?
Nasulat ko na. Chris Gasmin, kung nakikinig ka, ha?
Puntahan natin. Alam ko bahay nun, sir.
Yung Kasal tsaka Sakali ay nasa...
Netflix. Ang Kasal and Sakal. They're both in Netflix. Yeah.
I think dun sa mga kwento ni Sir Joey, dun natin makikita, writers and directors can be put in a box by producers. Pero kapag gusto talagang magsulat ng writer at gumawa ng pelikula ng director, they will find a way to go out of that box.
Ay,
And,
oo.
galing. Ang bilis ng...
Parang
Isip
kahit
nung
ang daming compromises, nakakahanap
Yes.
lagi ng...
We have to that's part of the survival in the business, you know. Nagkiusap nga kami ni Joel Lamangan nung screening ng food delivery sa Rockwell. Sabi sa akin ni Joel, ang tawag niya namin sa isa, ako si Gunding, siya si Iska, para kami matatandang. Sabi niya sa akin, Gunding, iilan na lang tayo. Sabi ko,
Na-imagine ko si Direk Joey.
Sabi, Gunding, iilan na lang tayo. Sabi ko, tumigil ka nga. Sabi ko, nagkakalat ka pa sa TV ngayon. Paano masasabihin?
As Roda.
As Roda. Sabi ko, nag-transition ka na. Sabi ko, siya na ang postmodern Roderick Paulaten. Pero sabi niya talaga yung lahat ng mga, totoo naman, lahat ng mga kabatch namin, wala na, sumakabilang buhay, mga fertilizer na ngayon, So, hindi ba?
Naging compost.
Hindi compost, fertilizer. So sabi ko, yeah, that's true because Mel is gone. The best friends of Joel are Mel and Gil Portes. They're both left. My best friends are Manny Castañeda and Don Escudero. They're both gone. Sabi ko, yeah, Survivor, it means we still have something to do. As long as you wake up in the morning and you're still in the business, there's still something to do. You know what's so funny, Tonette? On the way here, Homer and I, magsabay kami pumunta. I was making kwento to him about ilan stories? 5 stories that I want to write.
Wow.
Oo, lahat nasa paul ko yung mga story. Because if you are really deep into this, you're immersed into this, you'll never, guys, you'll never run out of stories. As long as you have your eyes and ears open and a heart which is willing to listen, you'll never run out of stories. You know why I love to teach? Because my students provide me the stories. And if I want to reach out to a young audience, I have to be with kids. Without looking like a pedophile, hindi ba? So, but when I go with kids and I begin to understand their problems, I begin to understand their mindset. I begin to understand why they think that way. I begin to understand why they go like this. Yun, yeah. Okay.
Ito na yung bagong ni Sir Joey, yung FDCP. Na ang daming ganap ng Paano nyo nakakaya, sir?
Alam mo, hindi ko alam.
Nag-start kayo, sir, di ba, last year?
Yeah. No, I started as a consultant for Tirso. When Tirso was appointed, he called me up and said, do you want to help me? I said, sure. Okay, I started out as a consultant. But after a year and a half, Tirso had to give it up. So ang sabi ni Tirso, Joey, I am resigning. Sabi ko, nyeta ka. Sabi kasi ang daming coterminous sa kanya. With coterminous kasi appointed siya. Pag bumaba siya, may mga about 4 positions, which 4 people will lose their jobs. Sabi ko, do you know these people resigned from their work to join you and now they'll lose their jobs? Sabi niya, that's why I called. Can you take over the year and a half na remaining so that they won't lose their jobs? Sabi ko, sige. I didn't know that part of that means A, although they allow me to make movies, I can't because there's no time. B, I had to give up my consultancy jobs because it's conflict of interest. And you know what's most painful? I had to give up Cinemalaya. I had to give up Cinemalaya because we give grants to Cinemalaya. So again, conflict of interest. Ang dami, I had to give up so much. When you say yes, di go. Sabi ko, year and a half lang yan. Sabi ko, okay na. Na-renew ako. 3 taon pa. But I'm enjoying it tremendously. You know what, Tonette? You know what, Japes, what I really like? I'm learning so much. Nagugulat kasi yung sa special projects unit, sabi, Direk, sobrang sipag mo, mag-absent ka naman kuminsan. Kasi I'm there practically every day. And I'm enjoying, look, how can you not enjoy? Look at my kids. Okay, look at my kids. I mean, when you're enjoying what you're doing, it's not a job. Okay, and if you think that you make money out of it, alam mo, Tonette, isang malaking pagkakamali na, sarap mo naman, punta ng Cannes, punta ka ng Busan, abonado ka. Dahil kulang ang binibigay sa'yo ng gobyerno. At naiintindihan kung bakit yung iba nagnanakaw. Kasi kulang ang ibinibigay sa'yo, hahanap ka ng paraan para i-augment mo, okay? Wala, baliw kayo. Sabi nagsabi sa akin yung isa kong kaibigan, Joey, tigilan mo na yan. Sabi niya, I'm 70 years old. Act surprised. Sabi ko, the thing that will kill me is if I don't do anything. So I enjoy this. Ang daming ginagawa. I mean, kuminsan sila mismo natataranta sa dami ng instructions na ito lang, itong so long na holiday. Kagabi, nakakuha na sila ng email ng kailangan ng i-report nila sa akin this morning eh. Nakatutok ako sa lahat. And I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. And you know what, Tonette? It's so much work to do. Not only in film production, but more so in film education. Alam mo ba, pinakialaman namin pati ang curriculum ng DepEd? Oo, nakialam kami. Kasi yung iba naman nagtuturo doon sa K-12, hindi naman mga film trained dyan, mga Filipino teachers, home economic teachers. Pinagturo mo ng film.
Totoo
yan.
So, hindi nila kasalanan na hindi nila alam kung paano magturo. So now we decided, okay, we're going to design the film courses for senior and junior high.
Ganda.
Oo. So,
Galing.
tsaka yung, okay, ito segue na sa promo. Kaya may OneFlix. Ay! May
Tama.
Natututo na si Sir.
Tama na.
Oo, kaya may OneFlix. Kasi yung OneFlix, it has classic movies, it has contemporary movies, and it even has selected movies from our trips abroad, which are available. Kano nga per month? Magkano yung gano'ng kamahal?
49.
Oh, got 49 pesos a month. And ngayon, magagamit ng mga estudyante yan pag nag-aaral ng pelikula. Ngayon, ang film teacher, pag-aaral natin, Dwayne Baltasar's Hypothalamus, may module na kaming ginawa para sa teacher to follow, para ituro yun. Okay, and then film appreciation, hindi ba? Tapos isa pa namin pinupush ang documentary filmmaking, pinupush namin ang short filmmaking. We're giving grants for short filmmaking and for animation. We're focusing on that, completely focusing on that. Yun.
Ang ganda. Kasi ngayon, ang hirap makahanap ng mga classic Filipino films na available.
Ando doon ang Portrait of the Artist is Filipino, ando ng No Limit.
Mababangong ano.
Ando doon lahat. So, you have no reason to say that you don't have access to this. At isa pa namin pinaprogram ngayon. And ito, in fairness, it was given to us by the government. The government gave us X millions to buy a restoration machine so that we don't have to bring our films to India or to Europe to have our films restored. It's going to be brought to the new building in Intramuros, which is Philippine Film Heritage Building. And now, nagmamadali kami to restore as many films as we can. Ang may sad news ako nung na-realize ko that 70% of my films are dead films. Hindi na marirestore dahil sira na. We wanted to restore Relasyon. Hindi na mahanap.
Oh my God!
Alam mo pa kung dagdugo ang puso ko. Temptation Island ni Joey
Wala na
Cosingfiao.
rin.
Hindi
Wala na
namin
rin,
na
sir.
ma-restore.
Hello.
Oo. Kasi, okay. So sabi namin, bago mawala lahat yan, alika i-restore natin as many as we can. And we're asking the government to give us more money for restoration. We want to restore the Mario de los Reyes, which, may fly over your head, but then, there are many great Mario de los Reyes films. Hindi ba? The early Love Diaz films. The films of Jeffrey Jeturian, Pila Balde, and the likes. Ang dami-dami. Ang dami namin gustong i-restore. Mario O'Hara's films. Una naming tinap ang Regal kasi close ako sa Regal. Sabi ng Regal, sige. Okay. So, hinahalongkat namin ngayon yon. And that will all be eventually available in OneFlix. Okay?
Ang bongga nung OneFlix. Tapos meron din, aside from the full-length films, may mga short films din, sir.
Yes. May
Mga student films,
Yes,
animation
may-
films.
Yeah, kasi nga we're encouraging. May mga ibang schools na mag-upload ng kanilang mga best films ng mga from the various schools which are made accessible to everybody, for everybody to watch. Isa pa, trabaho to ni Homer each time we travel. Pagpunta namin abroad, naghahanap siya ng mga pelikula that we can license. Do you know that we got 4 of the best Cannes films, okay, which will be shown in our country by the end of the year?
Oh my God.
Pwede lang sabihin, sir.
Pwede, sentimental
Sentimental value.
Yeah, The Sound of Falling.
Charing.
Then,
Walang alam.
The Sound of Falling, and then it was just the Pound the
It's just
Orwin.
an accident.
And then the fourth one is Resurrection. Ano yan? The Secret Agent, and then
Ang
Resurrection.
galing.
So we got all these. Kasi alam namin na walang local distributor na kukuha niyan. So ngayon, ipapalabas namin yan sa mga sinihan. For film students and for people like you who love films. And we know that you can't gain access to this. Ayan. Ngayon, pupunta naman ng Busan, si Homer maghahanap naman ng mga Asian films.
May close nga, tsaka After Sun di ba?
may
Exactly.
Lucas Don't, yes.
Exactly,
Girl,
exactly.
my
May
girl.
girl din.
And that's the whole fun of it, that we can make these available to you guys. Kasi nung panahon namin, wala. Pupunta ka maghahanap ka ng pirated DVDs, hindi ba? Kung manood mo, hindi ba?
Kaya po.
Sa Quiapo. Now, we're making it available to you for the full cinematic experience.
For only 49 pesos.
Tapos,
Yeah.
349 annual.
Tapos meron dong mga free. May
Oo.
mga free din na mga films. So, kahit di ka magbayad nung 49. Pero syempre, for the full catalog.
Full experience.
oo.
Oo.
Ang bongga nun, sir, lalo yung sa curriculum sa
Oo.
junior and senior high.
No, yun ang lagi, maski even with film schools, magtuturo ako ng course. No? I'm going to teach a course in feature films. Yung iba nakadikit sa OneFlix. Okay?
Ganda.
I usually teach a course on Broca, Bernal, and Marilu Abaya. I use OneFlix. Okay? Kasi better ang quality sa OneFlix than YouTube. Hindi naman siguro malaking kabawasan sa buhay nila ang 49 pesos a month, ano?
Lalo na sir for yung mga filmmakers na gustong gumawa ng pelikula tapos hindi nila kilala yung mga national artists natin for film. Parang ito yung magandang intro for them.
Alam mo, umiyak ako noon yung sa, hindi ko nababanggitin kung Ali Eskwela o sige Lasal.
Hindi na nila pilit.
Breaking his silence.
After 1 second.
Walang pumilit.
Sabi ko ganyan, how many of you have watched a film of Broca? Bernal? Marilu Abaya? Hindi kayo nakapanood nun. Sir, mga luma yun. Naghanap ba kayo ng paraan para mapanood itong mga classics na ito? Silence. Sabi ko, and you call yourselves communications majors? So we want to bring back the importance of that tradition. Nanood kami ng Magellan sa Cannes, okay? 3 oras yon. Okay?
Short
Tapos,
film yun, sir.
Oh,
kay
short film din.
Sir Love.
Parang trailer yun.
3 hours lang, oo.
Putya, pagpasok ni Love Diaz, para nakakita sila ng santo. Yung nagtayuan, nagpalakpakan. There was, ang mga Pilipino, he doesn't even get that here from his countrymen. Isn't that so sad? You know, you are more appreciated by foreigners than your own countrymen. I asked my students, how many of you have gone through an entire Love Diaz movie? Di ba that's so heartbreaking? Hindi ba? Yeah, I know it takes effort to watch a Love Diaz movie, no? But still, you have to understand his world or the world of Brillante Mendoza. Hindi ba? Or even, sige na, Eric Mati's universe. You have to understand all that. Or, you know, even going to a younger generation, the works of this lady beside me. Hindi ba? I mean, these are necessary for you to, and it's not a matter of just appreciating the film, it's appreciating who you are and the world that you live in. Ay, nako, I can go on forever. Ask me another question.
Naalala ko rin, sir, yung parang, di ba nung nanalo si Miss Jacqueline sa Cannes, parang kapag meron tayong mga Miss Universe na nanalo sa ibang bansa, laging may parade, ganyan.
Oo, pag bumabalik. Pag
Tapos yung
umuwi,
kay
sina Pacquiao.
Miss Jacqueline, or yung kay si Love nung nanalo sa Berlin, ganyan. Parang interview lang sa airport, tas uwi na. Parang,
In-interview nga ba?
dami TV Patrol.
Okay. Oo.
Pero yun lang, parang sobrang liit nung appreciation.
Isa lang. Well, mission namin yan sa FDCP to give honor where honor is due. Would you believe after so many years, Love Diaz has never been honored for the contributions he made until FDCP honored him with a lifetime achievement? So this is so wrong that you don't acknowledge this man who has really broken barriers to open our movies, to open our our films to a worldwide audience. Here's worse. Bing Lao before he died. Si Bing Lao, who has greatly affected so many script writers, and an entire mindset of independent filmmaking, he's never been honored. Alam mo ba, I don't know if you noticed, if you knew that. No, in honor siya, he was very ill, but he insisted on going to the event. He couldn't even talk, and he was crying when I gave him the trophy. I mean, so sad that, here is this man who dedicated his whole life to writing and training filmmakers, and we can't even give him honor, hindi ba, and recognizing him, hindi ba? I have nothing against, beauty queens being honored because they deserve it, because they work hard for it. But can we also give honor to the real artists who really bring pride and legacy to the tradition of the Filipino? I think that's important. And that can only be achieved through proper education.
Yes.
That can only be achieved through proper education.
Agree.
Tama na.
Agree. Ang ganda. And also, habang sinabi ni Sir Joey yun, mga pelikula din ni Direk Joey.
Oo.
Kailangan, ilan yung nasa OneFlix, sir? Na pelikula nyo at sa Netflix? Ang dami. Oro Plata, Radio Romance. Ilalaban ko talaga yung Kung Ako Na Lang Sana.
May minamahal.
Ibang talaga yung best friend story ng Kung Ako Na Lang Sana. As in, parang live show, meron ba?
Ang live show, nasa OneFlix ang live show. Oo.
Kailan bang relaunch, sir, ng OneFlix?
May app. September 27, 2025, magkakabahan na ang Netflix, ang Prime.
Disney Plus.
TikTok, kabahan yan.
Kabahan na si
Kabahan
Moana
na.
sa live show.
Okay.
Kabahan. Si Cindy
Oo.
Sweeney.
Oo.
Kabahan ka. Kay Claudio Coronel.
Claudia Coronel, Ana Capri, okay, Simon Ibarra.
Grabe, all-star pala yun.
Oo, daw niya.
Ana
Okay.
Capri.
Kausap ko nga si Cindy Sweeney, in-invite ko sa
Sa launch.
Oo, sa launch. Napaka big time ng launch namin. Nakakailangan talaga nakabihis kayo. It's going to be held at Robinson's Ermita. Okay. Okay, at the activity center of Robinson's
Parang
Ermita.
tamang, ba't hindi isitan, sir?
Parang nahiya pa kayo dun, sir.
I'm sorry, inunahan kami ng tonight. I feel like what? Sometimes I feel like what? I'm sorry, I'm not willing to dance. Okay.
Ang bongga. 27, September 27. Yung introductory price lang po ba yung 49 o yun na yun?
Yun na yun.
Bongga!
That's it. Okay, and this is because it's from the government and it's not money-making venture. It's meant really to spread the accessibility of film. O at saka special added feature. Banggitin ko ba kung sino mga guests natin? Do you think it will have bearing to the present crowd that we have?
Malaman natin, sir.
Okay, ang aming mga special, it will be hosted by, the world famous Mr. Fu, okay? With,
Ay, yes!
And? Ano,
Milo
ano?
and Mido Jr. and Ina Eva! Oo, silang dalawa. Galing sila dito. Kami pa nakadiscover sa kanila. Sir. Kung
Sobrang
paano,
nakaka-proud.
kung paano na-discover ni Magellan ng Pilipinas.
Oh my God.
oh, at saka, ang mga special guests namin, brace yourself, River Joseph,
Oh, pasok sa henerasyon.
Ralph De Leon,
Pasok sa henerasyon.
si Esnier, Michael Sager, and Will Ashley.
Mga PBB boys and girls.
I'm sure sila yung nag-shortlist.
Mga chronically online yung mga yan sir.
Nako,
Bongga.
nakakatakot yung tanong ni Antoinette. Sino raw nag-shortlist doon? Ako eh.
Si Sir Joey.
At least ibig sabihin, si
Chronically
Direk
online.
Joey, lubog siya.
Lubog,
Danas. Danas niya.
Immersed talaga ako, immersed ako. Hinahanap ko ang next concert ng Lola Amore.
Si Direk Joey talaga young at heart.
Oh, ano
Oh,
favorite
si-
Cup of Joe song nyo, Sir Joe?
Multo?
Ang ganda!
Ang galing! Kala nyo Ano ba yung mga ibang FDCP for September? Meron pa ba? May nakalimutan pa kami.
Okay.
Sine Kabataan!
Sine Kabataan will be, may kaming awards. So this is a nationwide contest of short films for sa mga kabataan. And then yung book Intramuros, we're transforming into a cinema hub. No? There will be screenings at Fort Santiago. There will be screenings at Centro Turismo. And then, Baluerte sa San Diego, may mga open air screenings.
Ang galing naman!
And ano
Tapos
yan?
diba,
May open air po kami ng Love You to the Stars. Ay, Love You to the Stars and Back. Yeah.
tsaka diba sir may 50 peso.
Sine 50.
Sine 50, 50 pesos.
We have to thank, the CEAP, Cinema Exhibitors Association of the Philippines, for being so cooperative that they allow 50 pesos and the likes. Okay?
Ang bongga, ang galing. Thank you, FDCP.
And we are giving more grant. Ito, meron kaming announce. I shouldn't say that, but anyway, I'm the chairman. We're coming up with a program for filmmakers. It's called the Incubation Program. It's called Isa Pelikula. It will be announced during the gala night, of which you are invited because of Sunshine. Yeah, we're going to launch it. It's if you have a story, if you have a script, whether you have a producer or not, you submit it. We're going to select 10, and these 10 will be eventually pitched. And then, if a producer decides to get it, we're going to give you 10 million. 10 million in order to add to your budget. Okay, but then ang only qualification dyan, it has to be Filipino in theme, but at the same time, it must have global appeal. And we have a selection committee of impeccable, irreproachable reputation, so that it's going to be very objective. And that's our way of pushing films like Sunshine to be made. Okay, so that it's not you're not trapped in the same commercial formula. Okay. But you have to. Ano yan?
Yung next, sunset daw yun.
Sunset. Sige. So, marami kaming pinaplano pang ano. And yun nga, kung meron kayong short film, meron kayong animated film, o meron kayong documentary, whether it's a short documentary or a full-length documentary, we're giving you grants. Okay, we're giving grants to as much as, and if you want to do anything with it, research a documentary involving any of the national artists for film and broadcasting, you can be given as much as 2 million for your grants. Okay, and this includes. Are you ready for this? Dissertations. Okay, if you're going to be doing, Okay, so we can give you that. Okay, as long as, And then one baby project of mine in the Philippine Film Heritage Building is we want to create a library of Filipino scripts. Okay,
Ganda.
so that these will all be made available. Okay.
Ang ganda. Hindi, ang maganda dito, kasi September is Philippine Film Industry Month, pero hindi lang September itong mga projects na to.
Yeah.
All year long.
All year long. And then for the previous years naman,
Oh,
ginagawa
sobrang
natin.
helpful talaga ng FDCP even before sa mga filmmakers.
No,
Thank
and
you.
you know, one extra emphasis namin is we want to reach out to the regions. Kasi wow, ibang kwento nila. We have to listen to the stories of the regions and we're reaching out to them. Isang dream ko, pinangako ko sa mga children. Sabi ko, before I step down in 2028, I think I would promise 3 more cinematheques all over the country. Okay, so that the more possibilities for the regional filmmakers to find their places and their hubs, okay, in the regions.
Ganda.
Sayang eh, di
True.
ba? Di ba?
And Cinematex walang censorship na, sir.
Wala.
Yes.
Kami nagre-rate. Okay.
Yes, walang kahit
No, but,
X yan.
pero alam mo, in fairness, kausap namin si Chair Lala Soto and the rest. Nakikinig sila. Hindi naman sila yung mga katulad ng mga sinauna na hindi ba na gusto kang ikrusipiho kapag hindi ba kapag inaakala nilang immoral ka. Pero ito they listen kasi they're intelligent, mature people and they're from the industry.
Yeah.
So ayun, okay. Tanong ka ba?
But thank you, sir. More than 1 hour, hindi natin nahalatang ano. Ay, ayun pala.
Ano yan?
Gitling!
This is one of the best movies of Cinemalaya.
Yes.
Okay, Gitling. It will be in one flick soon. It will be premiering in one flick soon. And kahit wala na ako sa Cinemalaya, okay, kasi andun pa ako sa buntot nitong 2025 group nito. Ay, ang daming magaganda. Sa Shangri-La na siya nag-promote ako ng Cinemalaya. Ano?
FDCP supported naman yung ano yan.
Ang dami maganda. Ang
November,
dami.
no, sir?
October. May isa ron yung kay Tim Ron. Kilala mo si Tim Ron? Ang ganda yung child number 82 niya. Ang ganda-ganda ng ang ganda ng premise. Meron tayong Warla. Okay, yung mga transgender na nang kikidnap ng mga foreigners para pumunta ng Thailand to have their sex change. Okay, so ang dami magandang mga lalabas sa Cinemalaya. And hopefully this year we will help these films also to be pushed to the other festivals. And once saya ko, Antoinette, nung nanalo kayo ng Crystal Bear. Kasi that's a first step eh. Okay, I mean, yes, we all have Oscar dreams, but more than Oscar dreams, you guys are breaking the glass ceiling. Importante yan eh. Sinimula na yan nila Bernal, nila Broca noon, pero naudlot. Okay, naudlot. Pero ngayon, yung kayo ni Baby Ruth, ang ganda ng ginagawa ninyo. Kasi may nagkakaroon ng awareness ng Philippine cinema. We have big plans for your movie.
Thank you, sir.
Because, God, alam mo nung napanood ko, so proud ako, estudyante ko yan. The greatest joy of a teacher is when one of his students turns out to be better than him.
Thank you, sir. Nanakaw lang, sir, sa MRT yung wallet ko, pero uno ako kay sir. Tinago ko yung class card ko kay sir. Thank you, sir. Sobrang ganda ng class ni Sir Joey, as in. Tapos, dapat short film. Alam mo, sir, akala ko, full-length script writing, pero short film lang pala dapat. Pero dahil si Sir Joey yan, full-length screenplay ang tinuro niya. Nang
yun yung
one
requirement.
sem. Oo, yun yung requirement. Then, nakadalawang scripts yata kami na
Oo.
full-length.
Nakakatawa yun, yung mga naalala ko pa yung mga bininyagan kong nickname sa mga...
Super. Ang saya mag-aral ng ano. Kaya nakakatuwa na yung mga junior high and senior high.
Oo.
Oo eh. Yung art talaga dapat sa umpisa pa lang tinuturo.
Isa pa namin pinaproject. Kasi alam niyo ba, ang dami-dami mga junior and senior high na hindi naman walang kakayahan ang kanilang mga magulang to bring them to schools like, you know, like CSB, okay? Or even FEU, okay, or UE, hindi ganun kadali. So, we are reaching out to them. Naka-identify na kami ng mga eskwela na mga relatively economically challenged ang mga magulang, and we're doing hands-on training with the kids. We're going to work on that. One is somewhere near here, the Eugenio Lopez High School, okay, for the arts. Kasi na-realize ko nung nasa CSB ako, ang dami mga scholars namin nanggagaling dyan. So sabi ko, teka, very limited na mga scholarships ngayon dahil nga after the pandemic. So we reach out to them so that eventually they can enter show business, they can enter movie making even without a diploma, but then properly trained for specific skills. I think that's very necessary. And I think it's necessary to listen to their stories because the stories of these kids are very different from the stories you get from La Salle Ateneo or CSB, hindi ba?
So yun. Ayun, isang mission din yun ng FTC.
Ganda. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Congrats
FDC.
sa FTCP.
Congrats, sir. Grabe, hindi ko naramdaman na more than 1 hour yun. Pero I think, invite na lang natin ulit si sir for part 2. So I think for end ng Philippine
And ng
Cinema.
PFIM.
Sure.
Ang daming kwento ni sir.
Tsaka ang sarap-sarap pala ng corned beef forever
Ay,
dito.
Kala mo ako nagluto, maka-thank you. Thank you.
Pag naligaw kayo dito sa Basta Kami, ang sarap-sarap ng corned
Thank
beef.
you po.
Oo, yung tomato, di ba, sir?
Oo, noong una hindi ako kasi busog ako.
Si ano naman din. Si Love Your Own din naman.
No, ang sarap ng
Thank
tomato
you
na may
po.
cheese, di ba?
Yes.
Love it. Thank you, sir.
Thank
And
you,
thank you to
sir.
FDCP kids.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, huwag niyo kalimutan, One Flakes.
One Flick, September 27 yung app, pero pwede na ngayon.
Oo, sa website.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank
Okay,
you,
thank you.
everyone.
Thank you, FTC.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Daldal.
Ang daming chika.